A productive day at Bellsik Farm's layer pen. We take you through our daily layer management routine from feeding to cleaning and health care for our birds. Every morning, our team ensures the pen is clean and comfortable before feeding begins. Clean water and quality feed are provided to keep our layers healthy and producing consistently. We also give our birds calcium supplements to strengthen their eggshells and improve laying performance. Regular health checks and light treatments help maintain the overall well-being of the flock. At Bellsik Farm, we believe in good management, hygiene, and nutrition as the foundation for successful poultry farming. Watch, like, and subscribe for more practical videos on farm management, animal care, and agribusiness in Nigeria. In this video,